Yeah, they eat too well. It's starting to rain a little bit, but this unit's running again, as you can see. Been charged back up. The line's all cold, sweating. This one is not running right now. It just turned off. Well, this unit had 3 leaks in it. As you can see, I don't know if you can see in there. But I cut away the coil there, started to leak, and right there, and they rebrazed it or whatever. And there was a big leak right here. You can see they cut the coil away right here, and then they covered it back up so it didn't suck air to here. So this unit's been charged back up and it's running. And it's cooling. It's 73 degrees upstairs right now. 73, 74 last I checked. So it's running. So this unit has a few more years left on it. It was a lot cheaper to get it fixed, because it was able to fix the coil and then the coil instead of having to replace it. It was going to be like $800 and we had to replace the coil. So they were thinking about replacing the unit. But it's running. The pressure comes nice and happy and everything. I don't think I can see where they cut the coil away, it's too dark. But it's all been cut away right here and right up here. And I cut the big gap right here. Now y'all can see that. She's back up and running. And these units are matched with Ruud gas furnaces as well. Ooh, excuse me. Ruud gas furnaces and Ruud condenser units. This is a 2.5 ton, and that's a 3.5 ton. This motor's getting kind of rusty. One over here just turned on. I'm gonna go in before I start getting rained on. It's starting to get heavy rain. See you later. Hope you'll enjoy. Like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.